Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid. I say welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear audience, I am facing you after a long interval, and at this time you are seeing that I have mathematics of class 7th, and it is, it is of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa textbook board Peshawar, and it is based on single national curriculum 2022. You are seeing that at this moment I am at page number 87 of this book, and at page number 87 there is review exercise of unit number 5. I have shared question number 1, 2 and 3 of this exercise in previous videos, and at this moment I am going to solve the question number 4 and onward. Question number 4 is find mark price if discount rupees 900, selling price is equal to rupees 6,500. So two things are given: discount, amount of discount, and selling price, and it is asked to find the mark price. Moving toward whiteboards, I have written what we are given. Two things: one is discount, which is rupees 900, and selling price, which is rupees 7,690. And what we are asked to find, the thing which we have to find, it is mark price, MP. We know that discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. And what is mark price? Yes, it is the written price on any product. And yes, we have to find here mark price. So the amount of discount is given, which is rupees 900. So here, putting values, we will write here amount of discount, which is 900, and in place of mark price we will write just mark price, minus selling price, which is 7,690. We can turn over the sides of this equation. We will write mark price minus 769 is equal to 900. And to find the mark price, we will shift this to the right side of the equation. And how can we do it? We will write just mark price minus 6790 plus 6790, and then we will write 900 plus 7690. So the thing which we have written on the left hand side, we have to write on the right hand side as well. So this 7690, which is positive, will be cancelled out with this negative, and we will have these two amounts, and we have to add both of them, and then we will get the mark price. So mark price or MP, just add them, we will get the answer. So 0, 9, 6 plus 9, 15, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8. So this is rupees 8,590. This is the answer of question number 4. Moving to our next question, question number 5. A shopkeeper sold an oven for rupees 39,900 and earned 25% profit. Find the actual price of the oven. So selling price is given and the profit percentage is given. We have to find the actual price. Yes, moving towards whiteboard, I have written what we are given in this question number 5. Two things, selling price and profit. Selling price 39,900 and profit which is 25%. And we are asked to find actual price. Actual price means cost price. Yes, cost price we are asked to find. So we have to find cost price. Yes, moving towards solution, we know that selling price S dot P, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. And yes, we also know that cost price and profit, which is 25%, and we know that what is profit? Profit is taken out of cost price. So 25% of cost price. Yes. Yes, moving towards next. So if we want to simplify this term 25 over 100, so we can write it as 0.25. So this 100 is eliminated, and now we can say that cost price, and here is also the cost price. So we have cost price 2 times, and there is the symbol of plus and multiply. We can take cost price as a common. So we will take cost price here outside the bracket, and in place of this cost price we will write 1, and we will write this plus 0.25, and yes, in place of this we have cost price outside the bracket. Now we will put the value which is 39,000 selling price 39,900. We can also write here 39,900. Now what we yes 1 plus 0.25, we can say that it is C dot P into 1.25 and 39,900. Here 1.25 is being multiplied, and we can simplify by dividing this 1.25. So, and 1.25 we will divide on the next side of the equation. So 1.25. So this 1.25 will be cancelled out with this 1.25, and yes, 0.25 in place of this 0.25 we will write 100 over. So this decimal is removed. Now we have 125. So we can divide both terms by 5. 25s are and 25 5s are. Again, we can also divide these two terms. 4 5s are and 5 5s are. And this 5 can divide this term as well. So we can say that 7 5s are 35, 9 5s are 45, and yes, this is 4 and 0, 8, and this is 0. So as this 5 as we cut off, now we have these two terms 4 and this. We will multiply these two terms. Yes, here on the upper side I have multiplied this 7,980 with 4, and I have got this amount. So this is our actual price. CP is equal to 31920 rupees. So this is the answer of question number 5. Was next question. Sadia saves rupees 89,000 in a year. How much will she pay as zakat? So in this question, saving is given annual saving, and we are asked to find the amount of zakat. And we know what is the rate of zakat. It is 2.5%. So it means we have to find the 2.5% of this amount. In question number 6, we are given annual savings, which is rupees 89,000, and we are asked to find the amount of zakat. And we know rate of zakat is also, we know that it is rate of zakat is 2.5%, and amount of zakat we have to find. Amount of zakat, how can we find? So formula is equal to savings or annual savings. Simply we can write savings into rate. Savings into savings, which is 89,000, and rate it is 2.5%. So in place of this point we can write here 10. So it is 25. We can write it as 5 fives are and 2 fives are. So this is 2 0 we can cut here with these 2 0, and we have 890. We can divide this by 2, as we can say 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 5 2s are 10. So we have 5 and 5 are 445. We will multiply these two terms. 5 5s are 25. We will write 5 here. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, this is 22. So the amount of zakat is 2,225. It is answer of question number 6. Moving towards next question, it is question number 7. Umar bought a used car having some faults in it for rupees 450,000. He paid an amount of rupees 58,000 to get it repaired. He sold it then for rupees 440,000. Find its profit or loss percentage. So first we have to find loss or profit, and then we have to find the profit or loss percentage. Yes, on the whiteboard I have written what we are given: purchase price 450,000 rupees, repair charges of the car rupees 58,000, and selling price which is 440,000, and we are asked to find profit or loss percentage. So moving towards its solution, here a concept we have to know that what is cost price, and it is very clear that cost price is purchase price purchase price plus other charges which are on the thing at the point at the time of purchasing, like yes, repair charges, or we can say the rent or BT charges or any other charges. In other words, we can say the commission paid at purchase, a tax purchase at purchase. So all the charges are included in cost price. So purchase price plus charges are called cost price. So first we have to find the cost price. What is cost price of this car? It is purchase price plus repair charges. So purchase price is rupees 450,000 plus repair charges or charges which is 58,000. So we will add these two amounts. You are seeing that I have added this amount with this and I have got this thing which is cost price. Now from this we can find that whether it is profit or loss. So if selling price is greater than cost price, then we can say there is a profit. And if selling price is less, so it is loss. So selling price is given for 140,000 and cost price 508,000. So cost price is greater, so it is loss. So first we have to find the amount of loss. The amount of loss or amount and amount of loss, how can we find? Amount of loss is cost price minus selling price. And cost price is 508 minus selling price is 440, and so after subtracting this amount from this, we have got 68,000. So yes, amount of loss or loss, it is 68,000 rupees. 68,000 rupees is the loss out of this cost price. So now we can easily find the loss percentage. Yes, now we are moving toward the loss percentage. So loss percentage is found by this method, loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So loss, we know what is loss. It is 68,000 and cost price was, so our cost price was 508. 508 and we will write 100 here. So these two zero we will cancel with these two zero, and this zero we will cancel with this. We can divide by 2. 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10, and 4 twos are 8. And this is 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, and these two 0. And at next stage we can divide by 2 again. 1 twos are, this is 5, 2 twos are, and 17. 14, 7 twos are 14. And with this we can say 1 twos are 7, and these two 0 will. So we can say that it is 1700 divided by 127. So if we divide both of them here, so if we divide this amount by this, we will get 13.38, and this is last percentage. So our answer, if we move towards answer, so answer would be, so last is 68,000, and last percentage is 13.38. Question number 8. A shopkeeper purchases a cupboard in rupees 18,900. He paid a tax of 4%. He sold that cupboard in rupees 21,400 and charged tax of 6%. How much value added tax did he pay? Moving towards white roots, and in question number 8, we are given purchase price of cupboard 18,900, tax at purchase which is 4%, selling price rupees 21,400, and tax at selling price it is 6%, and we are asked to find value added tax. We know that value added tax is the difference of taxes paid at different level. So first we have to find the amount of tax which is at selling price, and then we will find amount of tax which is at purchase time, and we will subtract this amount from this, we will get value added tax. And first I am going to write the formula. Yes, formula of VAT, it is equal to tax at selling or selling price minus tax at cost price or purchase price. So tax at selling price, first we have to find this tax at selling. So tax at SP, it is equal to selling price into rate, and selling price, you know, it was 21,400, and at this time the rate was 6%. So these two zero will be cancelled out, and we will multiply 6 by this, and we will get tax at selling price, it is rupees 1,284. Now we will find tax at cost price. And we know tax at CP, it is equal to CP multiplied by rate, and cost price or purchase price, we know it was 18,900, and at that time the rate was 4%. So we will cancel these two zero with these two zero. We will get 189 multiplied by 4. So I multiply 189 by 4 and got this 756. So it is tax at cost price. Again I am writing the formula VAT. So VAT is equal to tax at SP minus tax at CP. So tax at SP 1,284 minus tax at cost price, it is 756. Now, yes, value added tax in after subtracting 756 out of this, we got 526. So it is value added tax 528. It is the answer. Moving towards question number 9. Saj's yearly income is rupees 236,000. How much income tax he paid? So, income amount of income is given, and amount of income tax is asked to find, and rate is not given. Usually, the rate for income tax is 5%. So we will try it with 5%. On whiteboard, I have written we are given yearly income 236,000, rate 5%, and income tax we have to find. So formula for income tax is equal to income or amount of income multiplied by rate. And we know the amount of income is 23600 and rate is 5%. We will cancel these two zero with these two, and we will multiply this and amount, we will get the income tax. Yes, I have multiplied this amount and got this. So this is the answer of question number 9. Moving towards last question, it is question number 10. A shop was sold for rupees 2,550,750 through an agent. If the percentage of commission is 1.7%, find the amount of agent received as commission. So selling price, rate of commission, these two things are given, and we have to find the amount of commission which the agent will receive. Moving towards whiteboards, I have written what we are given. Selling price 2,555,750 rupees. Rate of commission 1.7%, and we have to find the amount of commission. We will write the formula for finding the amount of commission. Amount of commission is equal to selling price. Selling price multiplied by rate of commission. So selling price, which is 2,555,750 rupees, and rate it is 1.7%. 1.7%. Whenever there is percent, so it is out of hundreds. So in place of this 0.7, we will write yes here 10. So this is 17. And now what we have to do? We have to cancel this 0 with this, and we will yes. Yes. After this, I have multiplied this amount with with 17, and I have got this amount. You are seeing I have done this multiplication process here. Means I have multiplied 2 to this amount I have written. Means I have written this amount here, and this 17 I have written here, and I have multiplied, so I have got this amount. I have written here, and 100 I have written here. So at next level I have divided 100 by this, and here you can see I have done this division process, and I have got this amount, the amount this. So this was the amount of commission, and this is the answer of question number 10. In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Subscribe for more lessons. Learn with Muhammad Sajid.